The following tip works for handles, price fisters that are leaking from the handles or from the diverter valve. It's often in the front portion rather than where the valve seat actually is. Today I'm showing how to fix leaks from the handle alone. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Today I have a leaking diverter valve. I'll show you here. It's leaking pretty good. Actually replaced this side seat and washer earlier, but the diverter is leaking here. Just going to show you how you can fix this up really easy. This has this little protective sleeve, and we're just going to tighten this nut down right here. That is a compression nut, and that'll, in theory, will stop our leak. That's right here. Okay, now give it a test. And there we go. No more leak. That's how to fix the diverter leak. There it is. Switch to the shower. And switch back to the tub. No more leak. We're good to go.
So there's definitely a bit more you need to know on these. As you're turning the escutcheon off, that's the outer covering behind the handle, the metal portion. It's possible that it can pull the sleeve apart with the escutcheon. So you need to know that the sleeve gets turned in first into the valve seat portion, and then the escutcheon goes over that, and then the handle. It can really mess somebody up. I've seen a lot of people get messed up taking these apart because they don't put them back together. Fully understand how it all goes together. I'll probably be doing an upcoming video showing more in depth of these, of how they come apart and how to assemble them in order to repair a valve seat or replace a valve seat and the bib washer, as well as assembling and disassembling price Pfister faucet cartridges. Today's video was just showing you a fast one on how to fix leaks from the handles, especially from the diverter valve, but the same principle works from either the hot or cold side cartridge. For price Pfister compression style tub shower cartridges.
Okay, and that's how to repair a leaking diverter valve. You can put it back together. And that's a diverter valve that just leaks from the handle. If it's leaking water while you've got a diverter to the shower, that's another story. Maybe time for a new diverter valve altogether. Anyway, there we go.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.